Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, mine is a comment though, not a question. I'm Bright PETERSIDE. Like you've already said, the importance of branding cannot be overemphasized. Earlier on, someone asked a question on before we went for the break on how you can differentiate personal brand and business. And this is what I have to say: that one of the things that differentiates you as a business is the values. It's not just how you do the business, it is the reason why you are doing the business. If you read a book, Success Built to Last by Ken Powell, that book was talking about companies in the world that have stayed over 150 years. And one of the companies is Henry Ford. Now, if you look at their values, there were times where ordinarily they would have done things the same way other people were doing it. But because they had a future, they had to stick to it. Remember, there was a time Henry Ford sold cars. People were laughing that why will you sell cars like this? Why will you even pay your people? Coming down to Nigeria, you also mentioned Tony Elumelu. Now, one of the days Tony was talking, he mentioned the fact that one of the reasons why he does the things the way he do it is because of his personal value. He mentioned when he was in one of the banks, he has to go into campus for people to open accounts and all of that. So my point now becomes is that your branding gives your business a direction. Every one of us seated down here, the way we are branding today will determine if we'll be in this business in the next 20, 30 years or not. Because there's a lot of products. Yes, because there's a lot of products we knew growing up that we can't find anywhere today. So branding is not just about the logo, it's not just about the name, it's about the values, it's about the conviction. You are not just selling property because you want to earn profit, you are selling property because you believe every hardworking Nigerian should have access to shelter.
Fantastic.
So that's just my contribution. Thank you.
Thank you very much.